I think you build good relationships, and players start to trust you when they see that your intentions are legitimate, when they know that you actually have their best interests at heart, that you wake up every day trying to do things within the context of what you want to achieve as a team that is for the best of them. I think as leaders we can move into really dangerous territory when the performance of the team brings us a lot of glory and brings us a lot of success as well, and we kind of announce that in the public space. Players start to get a little bit fidgety when they think that their success brings you the glory that you're looking for. But if the players see in you a legitimacy of intent, in other words, they see that you're not one that is going to stand on the platforms and take the glory, but you're actually there just to put in the hard work and the hard yards behind the scenes, they really start to warm to you. And I think in there you can build some really good trust. And importantly, once you've built that trust, to be able to then influence those individuals to start looking at things slightly differently to make them better players.